I visited the marshes today in hope of filming 2 target species, which I need some footage of for a film that I'm making, but didn't have any luck. I did, however, film a few of the fairly common species that you see along the old River Lee, including a few nice shots of these cormorants, which I thought were worth sharing. Just as I packed up my camera, this lacewing landed on my tripod bag. I think this is Carnea, or one of the common green lacewing species. They are very hard to tell apart, and I'm certainly no expert.
There he goes.